Okay, Donovan will be coming up here soon. There he is on his beautiful snowmobile. Logan's gonna try and greet him. There he is. Fun movie. Woo! Got you on video.
Oh,
What do you have to say?
I got my snowmobile started. It's the best Christmas ever.
There's Grandpa, or Dad. He's on his old tractor, old Grandpa there. We got this young buck on this sharp-looking cherry red
Hacking down the
snowmobile.
driveway so Derek and Captain can get out.
Yeah, that's good. Very sacrificial of you.
I know. Well, it is the season to give.
Yeah. Woo! Oh, that scares me every time. Not sure where exactly he's gonna surface again now. Probably right over there. So we'll wait and see if he does anything fancy. Yeah, he might try and jump or not. There they go. Father and son. I better call the dog back. Over and out.